Townstar will replace the NV250 and e-NV200 in the lineup. Additionally, the Interstar and Primastar, previously NV400 and NV300, respectively, fill out the streamlined LCV model offerings. The fully electric version of the all-new Townstar, available in van and passenger versions, is optimized to meet customer needs. The fully electric all-new Townstar will reflect aesthetic cues taken from the Nissan Ariya, including slim signature LED headlamps, and an aerodynamic front shield integrating an intricate Kumiko pattern, and a fresh V-motion design. From refined seat and door trims to a modern center console and instrument panel finish, the passenger version of the all-new Townstar's cabin welcomes customers with passenger car-like comfort. The van version of the Townstar has been developed to perfectly meet the needs of customers who are looking for versatility, convenience, and cargo space. Designed to support a variety of transportation needs, the all-new Townstar introduces more than 20 technology features, including a broad range of safety and advanced driver assistance features such as trailer sway control. The fully electric, all-new Townstar offers the innovative Pro Pilot Advanced Driver Assistance System, which helps the driver to keep the vehicle centered in a lane during highway driving, even around sweeping corners. Convenient connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless phone charging will be available across the lineup, with the introduction of additional connected services at the time of the electric Townstar launch. Adaptable business solution. With versatile configurations available, the all-new Townstar has been comprehensively engineered to be a reliable, comfortable, and efficient business mobility partner. The cargo area integrates large sliding doors that enable unloading, and 60/40 French rear doors, with 180-degree opening, or tailgate rear door, uniquely offered on the passenger version. It also includes smart storage solutions, and a dedicated space for onboard office tools. Designed to support a variety of transportation needs, the all-new Townstar introduces more than 20 technology features, including a broad range of safety and advanced driver assistance features, such as trailer sway control.